guys! For today's video, gagawa kami ng sweet using this crackers, Hansel cracker and bingo, and I mix coffee powder with sugar and normal water. I'm going to dip this one here and then I'll fire it here alternately with this bingo. Okay. Bubuksan ko na yung Hansel. And I'm gonna give it here to soften it and to add flavor, coffee flavor. Like that. And then apply it here. Another one. Medyo apply natin ng ganyan. I'll use my hand na lang to make it easier. Should be. Nagurot na siya, guys. Masyado na siya nababad sa laki. Dahil pala hindi ko siya pinagsabay-sabay. Kaya hindi siya nadurog o hindi siya lang lumambot. And like that. Doesn't matter if it's really soft. Mas softer, mas masarap. And for to sweeten it, we'll use this mixture of this and this. It's evaporated milk and condensed milk, and of course we need a cream for that. Just gonna try it on like that, and then I will open this. This is the condensed milk. I need to open it. When we open it, because this one is sticky. And for this evaporated milk, just open each side and the other side like that. And it's not here. I hope I'm doing it correctly. This is just gonna